Miss!
Hey Jen, kamusta? Tara po tayo. Kamusta? Okay lang. Long time no see ah. Alam mo, ano talaga eh, nakukonfuse ako sa ano ngayon. Ikaw ba, naniniwala ka ba sa sign ng pag-ibig?
Naniniwala ko kahit hindi ko pa ito naranasan.
Ako kasi hindi ako naniniwala eh. Kasi wala man lang naging sign ng mga nagustuhan ko noon.
Nireject ka, di ba? O edi yun na yung sign na nireject ka ni Jason noong 7 pa lang.
Uy Jacob, may ginagawa ka? Tara kape.
Ay, hindi na siguro Lalaine. Inaantay na kasi ako ng asawa ko sa bahay.
Ah, ganun ba? Ba't nagmamadali kang umuwi?
Kasi nahihirapan na yung asawa ko sa mga anak namin eh.
Ah, ganun. Sige, mauuna na lang ako. Kasi kailangan ako ng lola ko eh. Ikaw na munang bahala dito ah.
Ano ba yan? Ba't walang sasakyan?
Kainis naman oh.
Hi Miss Beautiful, magkano ka ba? Sama ka muna sa akin.
Bitawan mo ako. Ay, kadiri ka.
Oops, teka lang. Sama ka muna sa akin.
Ayoko, bitawan mo ako. Nasasaktan ako.
Hoy, bitawan mo yan. Lalaine, are you okay?
Ah, wait. Yes, I'm okay, pero paano mo nalaman yung pangalan ko?
Nakita ko lang sa name tag mo.
Ah, oo nga.
I'm Asdel, by the way. May I think am I weird?
Hindi naman. Nagulat na ako kasi ba't alam mo yung name ko? Pero tama ka, nasa name tag ko pala.
Oh, okay. I'm honest, matagal na kitang kilala Lalaine. Hindi mo lang napapansin. Palagi ako ng pakiusap.
What do you mean?
Lalaine, siya nga pala si Jason. Siya yung magiging partner mo sa pagiging waitress mo. Na-notice ko kasi nahirap ka na. Okay, gotta go. I have something to do pa.
Hi, nice to meet you. I'm Jason. How about you?
I'm Lalaine. Teka, Jason?
Lane, ikaw pala yan? Long time no see. Uy, kamusta?
Manahimik ka nga. Pass is pass, okay? Saka bata pa kami nun.
Hindi okay. Ang sungit ah. Sige na, alis na kami.
Wow, grabe ang init ah. Excuse me, sino ka? Sino inantay mo?
Diyan kasi nakatira yung tita ko. I'm from Manila kasi.
Baka nagkakamali ka lang ng location kasi bahay namin din.
Ay, oo nga. Pasensya na sa abala.
Hi sir, this is your coffee sir. there anything else, sir? Okay, sir. If you need any help, don't be shy to call in our counter. Okay, sir. Thank you.
As the sun set on the horizon, their love story reached its most beautiful chapter. After waiting for the sign that their heart had been longing for, they finally embraced the love that had been silently growing between them. It was a love that transcended time and space, a love that defied all odds. With each passing day, their connection deepened and their souls interweaved. They embarked on a journey filled with laughter, joy, and endless adventures. Together, they discovered the true meaning of love and found solace in each other's name. Their love at first sight was not just a fleeting moment of attraction, but the profound connection that ignited their souls. They supported each other's dreams, celebrated each other's victories, and comforted each other in times of sorrow. As they stood hand in hand, they knew that their love was built on a solid foundation of trust, respect, and unwavering commitment. They had found their soulmate, their partner for life. And so, their love story continued to unfold, painting a picture of a life filled with love, happiness, and endless possibilities. They knew that they were meant to be together, guided by the sign that brought them together in the first place. In the end, their love at first sight became a timeless tale, inspiring others to believe in the power of love and the beauty of following their hearts. And as they lived their happily ever after, their love story became a beacon of hope, reminding everyone that sometimes the best things in life are worth waiting for.